Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can use Instagram voice changer. Well, it's very easy. So all you need to do is first of all open Instagram, make sure that you're logged into your account, and then you can simply open your DM. So in here I want to send this particular person a voice message, so I'm going to open the chat just like this, and in here you can see a voice message icon right here. All you need to do is tap on it and then start recording your voice just like this. Hello. And now in here, you can see this particular icon right here. All you need to do is tap on it. And here you can see this is a new feature. So tap on try it. In here, you can see we have several voice effects. We have chipmunk one first. Here you can see this is the chipmunk one. We have demon one. Here you can see. And we have several different options like alien, robot, underwater, stadium, wobble, and fishball. You can select whichever voice effects that you want. I'm going to go with the chipmunk one right now. And in order to send it to them, all you need to do is simply tap on the send button right here. And just like that, you'll be able to use your voice changer on Instagram. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.